Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to allow location access while using the Telegram app on your phone. This setting is useful if you want Telegram to access your location only when you're actively using the app, which helps balance functionality and privacy. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. This is where you control all system-level permissions and app behavior. Once you're inside settings, scroll down until you find the Apps section and tap on it. Depending on your device, it might also be labeled as Apps and Notifications or Application Manager. Next, look through the list of installed apps and find Telegram. Tap on it to open the App Settings page. Here, you'll see various options related to storage, notifications, and permissions. Now, tap on Permissions. This section shows everything Telegram is allowed to access on your device, such as contacts, camera, and location. From the list, tap on Location. You'll now see different options for how Telegram can use your location data. To allow access only when you're actively using the app, select Allow Only while using the app. This ensures Telegram can access your location when needed, like sharing live location in chats, but won't track it in the background. Once selected, the setting is applied instantly, so there's nothing else you need to save. And that's it. You've successfully set Telegram to access your location only while using the app, giving you better control over your privacy without limiting important features.